All right, this time we're looking at angles 3 and 4. Oops, didn't mean to highlight. Angles 3 and 4. So 3, 4, okay? They're not opposite each other, so they're not vertical. They are on different sides of the transversal, so maybe they're alternate something. Alternate interior would be 3 and 6, so it's not that. They're not on the outside, so they're not alternate exterior. They can't be corresponding, so when they're nothing, when they don't meet any of those criteria, they're just supplementary. All they're doing is forming a straight line. So these are supplementary angles. They don't have a special relationship that makes them congruent, so they are supplementary. That means they're different numbers. So say this is 110, this would be 70, okay? Angles 2 and 7. So 2 is here, 7 is there. They're on opposite sides, so not vertical, not corresponding. I think they're going to be an alternate. They're not in between, so they're not alternate interior. They're on the outside. That makes them alternate exterior. They would be congruent. One more. Number 3, angles 3 and 6. So we're here. They're on opposite sides, so they're alternate something. They're in between. That makes them alternate interior, right? Remember, if they're inside here, inside the parallel lines, they're interior. That's it. Now we're going to learn how to find the angle measures, and then you'll practice those.